Hello, I'm Scott with the Scotch Malt Whiskey Society, and you're looking at cask number 42.70, Swash and Buckle. This is a 14-year-old Highland bottled at 56.7%. It's in our peated flavor profile, and our cask type on this is a refill ex-bourbon hogshead. Let's get into it. Distillery 42 is doing some great things. One of my favorite distilleries that I love to try casks from. And I started to taste this one ahead of time to get some notes. And I thought, you know what? Let's leave this one as a first impression on camera and give you literally what I get as it comes to me. So no, I have not tasted this one, have not even smelled it ahead of time. And from pouring it, I can smell it. There is a very nice peat on this one. Color, this is a pale color for a 14-year-old whiskey. That refill ex-bourbon barrel, kind of a theme with the mid-month outturn here, but very slight cask influence from that. And I can even see some particulates floating in this. Ooh, yes. Nose exceeding expectations. Wow, a rough peat here, rougher than I expected for a Highland. Very, very coastal, very oily, very industrial. Roasted smoked peanuts. Wow, salty maritime hit here. Ooh, citrus fruits coming through, little tropical. Nose not disappointing on this one. Wow. I'm salivating already, just smelling this one, getting ready to go in. Almost, so nice maritime, salty peatiness here. Nice, sweet underlaying here. Almost feels like there's a wine cask here of some sort. There isn't. This is just ex-bourbon hogshead. But that's the level of sweetness here. There's that really nice citrus underneath it. Let's get in on the palate. Cheers. Salty, maritime, industrial peat, medicinal, clean, antiseptic, vanillas, not near as much citrus on the palate as there is on the nose. I'll bet you water will bring that out. But here, very nice. What I expected or exceeding expectations even. Nice peat here. Very slight oak impact. Very slight oak influence. Let's try to get into a second sip of that one. The palate on this neat. Very entertaining. Very full. All of those notes, those smoked peanuts, roasted peanuts, that medicinal iodine peat, slight earthiness here, slight citruses. This is neat. I'm going to add some water, and I bet it brings out a little bit of that, more of those citrus notes, but let's see. It may not. For a first impression, very nice here. For Distillery 42, definitely meeting, if not exceeding expectations. Nose smells the same. Got a little honeyed sweetness there. Water, bringing out a little bit of a mintiness, eucalyptus. Everything else the same here. Nice industrial peat, slight vanillas, slight peat and char. Water may have toned down some of the peat notes here, just a little bit, making them mellow with that honeyed sweetness. Not necessarily getting any of the citrus yet that I thought the water may bring out. Let's add our second round. Water definitely tones down the peat, some of those harsh edges. It's creamier, it's smoother. There was definitely more bite on this one, neat. Not just from the ABV, but flavor profile overall, especially the peat characteristics were heavier when this was neat. I actually like this one neat, or maybe with just a drop of water somewhere. 2 drops of water, still good, nice mouthfeel. Just doesn't have the bite that it does. That palate punch that was good there. Neat, still very good. Little seaweed just came through. Almost a little sushi. Some raw salmon with the rice, and then the seaweed wrap. Definitely. Slight hints of wasabi and soy all come into mind with that note of that sushi. Very nice. Let's see what we get for tasty notes on the bottle. 42.70 Swash and Buckle. A confident swashbuckling peat monster. Briny, chiseled, and overflowing with salty, spicy peat smoke. Brilliant. Cask 42.70 is available on the website for $150. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel as well. It all helps. And remember, Scotch Malt Whiskey Society whiskeys are not for swigging, glugging, or knocking back. Please drink responsibly. Cheers.